Well, the time has come that I've been waiting for so many years. I'm so excited. I'm going to install the Cubic Mini wood stove. I actually purchased this 2 years ago when I started remodeling the RV, but the time has finally come. I'm going to install it. I don't know what I was thinking, but yesterday when I started to unbox it, I realized that there's a lot of pieces, and I feel kind of like I was maybe a little bit overconfident, thinking, sure, I'll unbox it yesterday, install it today, it'll be no big deal, you know. So I think it'll take longer than that, but I'm so excited about it. I don't care how long it takes. I bought the kit that goes with installing it on the wall. Originally, I thought I was going to install it on the wall, but I've changed my mind. You know, after working on the RV, the walls don't have really any like studs or anything you can depend on to hang something this heavy. It just made me really nervous. So I thought I'd rather put it on the countertop, you know, hold it down with gravity, and then I can put the shielding behind it. So I'm going to have to figure out that a little bit. I don't have it nailed down how to, you know, convert the wall installation to where I want to put it on the countertop. But I certainly have a lot of pieces. As you can see, there's a lot to it. So you're supposed to burn it for 20 to 30 hours outside to get rid of all the fumes on the coating. I hadn't really planned for that either, but I'm going to do that. And also I have to take all this film off of all the pipes and then start putting it together. I actually have a hole in the ceiling here that was originally for the stove and the oven, but we still have the hole there, which is awesome. I'm just going to make that hole bigger for the 7-inch size that's required for this to go up in the roof. This is so adorable. This sits on the roof. I can't imagine that being any more adorable. The stove itself is adorable. Just so cute. I mean, really. Even if it didn't do anything, I think it's just so adorable. I love the idea of having a wood stove because, you know, no matter what situation you go into, you're going to be fine because you have a way to heat your house. It's a little bit daunting right now. I didn't quite realize that it was going to be this much to do with this many pieces, but I'm just going to work on it, and I know eventually I'll get it in. So yeah, Cubic Mini wood stove install. I'm so excited. All right, I've been burning wood for the last half a day, and I just got done watching a bunch of YouTube videos because I realized I really don't know what I'm doing. But here's the good news. I left here an hour ago and that fire is still going. Look at that smoke coming out the top. Honestly, I'm very glad that I started doing this outside. I've made a lot of fires in fireplaces, but this is different. And I had a lot of smoke coming out of the front of the Cubic Mini wood stove while I was doing this. So if I was doing that inside the RV, it would have been really unpleasant. So glad they told us to do it outside. I'm going to get the knack for it before I actually move it indoors. The stove has cooled, and I'm going to clean it now and take it inside. So I just wanted you to see what it looked like after it burned. As you can see, the inside is still full of cardboard and a lot of leaves and some wood. So I would say I was partially successful. I think it burned for 3 or 4 hours, so I feel like that's pretty good. You can clean the glass with its own ashes, so I'm going to go do that. We have a piece of wood here. It looks like it was burned, so I do feel like it caught fire. Maybe I'm not a pro at it yet, but I know I'll get there.
Okay, I'm taking it back to the RV. I got it into the RV, and I really have to research how to put it together and how to put it on the wall. I'm still not clear on that. As a side note, I did bring the pipes in that I used back there to burn it, and they are very smelly. Like, the whole place smells like a wood stove. So I don't know if it'll always smell that way, but it smells good. But I just didn't expect the pipes to fill up the whole RV with that smell. I decided to make this video a two-parter because I think it's going to take a while. So look for part 2. I'll see you then.